up and think, I want to study English today? Then you look at your bed and think, no, maybe tomorrow? Do you feel like a champion at night but a sleepy cat in the morning?
That is me every single day, Emma. Every single day.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Emma, your friendly curiosity guide.
And I am Leo. Today we are talking about a big word, laziness. Why do we feel lazy? And how can we stop?
It is not because you are a bad person, Leo. It is science.
Oh, thank goodness. I thought I was just born to sit on the sofa and eat chips.
Well, that too. But really, our brains like to save energy. It is like a phone battery. Your brain wants to stay at 100%. Learning English takes a lot of battery.
That makes sense. Yesterday, I sat down to read an English book. I looked at the first page. Then I looked at my phone. Then I watched a video of a dog riding a skateboard. 2 hours later, no English, just skateboards.
We call that procrastination. It is a long word for saying, I will do it later. I have a story too. Last week, I wanted to go running. I put on my shoes. I stood by the door. Then I saw my cat, Luna. She looked so soft and warm. I sat down to pet her for 1 minute.
Let me guess. You never went running.
Exactly. 1 minute became 30 minutes. I call this the soft blanket trap. When things are too comfortable, we don't want to do hard things.
So how do we beat the soft blanket trap?
First, we need to use a great expression. Take it easy.
Take it easy? But I want to be productive.
Yes, but if you say, I will study for 5 hours, your brain gets scared. It says, no way. But if you say, I will study for 5 minutes, your brain says, okay, I can take it easy for 5 minutes.
I like that. 5 minutes is just one song. I can do that.
Exactly. Another good phrase is step by step. Don't look at the whole mountain. Just look at your feet. 1 word today, 1 sentence tomorrow, step by step.
My grandfather always said that. He also said, Leo, stop eating the cake before dinner. But the step-by-step part is very helpful for English.
He was a smart man. Another expression we use is to get the ball rolling. This means to start something. Usually, the start is the hardest part. Once the ball is rolling, it is easy to keep going.
Like my skateboard dog. Once he starts moving, he just goes.
Exactly. And when you feel very lazy, just tell yourself, I will just get the ball rolling. Just open the book. You don't have to read it yet. Just open it.
I tried that this morning. I opened my laptop. But then my mom called me. She wanted to know if I liked the soup she made. We talked for an hour about carrots.
That is life, Leo. Life happens. Don't be sad when you have a carrot conversation. Just try again later.
You are right. So, we have take it easy, step by step, and get the ball rolling.
And one more. Give it a shot. This means to try something even if you are tired or afraid. Just give it a shot for 2 minutes.
Okay, I will give it a shot. Tonight, no skateboards. Maybe just 1. No, 0.
Good. Remember, laziness is just your brain being shy. It is afraid of hard work. You have to be the boss of your brain. Tell your brain, hey, we are doing this for 5 minutes. Then we can have a snack.
Snacks are very good motivation. My brain loves chocolate. If I learn 5 words, I eat 1 chocolate.
That is a perfect system. You are rewarding yourself.
So, to remember everything today. Laziness is normal. Your brain wants to save energy. But you can win.
Yes. Use your new phrases. Take it easy so you don't get scared. Move step by step. Just get the ball rolling to start your day. And always, always give it a shot.
Even if you fail, it is okay. Just try again. Like my mom's soup. Sometimes it is good. Sometimes it is too salty. But she tries every day.
Be like Leo's mom. Keep cooking your English soup.
That is a strange metaphor, Emma. But I love it.
We believe in you. You are not lazy. You are just resting before you do something great.
Now, we have a small challenge for you. Do not study for an hour today. That is too much. Just give it a shot for 5 minutes. Write one sentence in the comments below. Use one of our new phrases.
Yes, write a sentence with step by step or get the ball rolling. We want to read them.
And please like this video and subscribe. It helps us get our own ball rolling.
See you in the next episode. Happy learning.
Yeah, bye. I am going to go eat a chocolate now. For science.